year of becoming unshakable. 2025 wasn't soft, and neither am I anymore. This year didn't break me, it reinforced me.
2025 stripped the noise, left the truth on the floor. Cut the ties to hesitation, I don't bargain no more. No perfect timing, no permission, no applause. Just early mornings, quiet grind, iron laws. I learned consistency, don't care how you feel. Emotion fades quick, but discipline's real. Stop negotiating with the voice in my head. If I said I'd do it, then I did what I said. Uncomfortable steps, still showed up on time. Built strength in the silence, sharpened my spine. While the world stayed loud, I stayed precise. Every lonely step was a permanent price. This wasn't ease, this was pressure applied. Every weak excuse got exposed and denied. I didn't just move, I became who I am. By keeping promises no one else understands. 2020 Friday and it's hard in my frame. Didn't just survive, I was forged in the flame. No permission, no validation needed to stand. I'm unshakable now, I trust my own hands. No shortcuts, no hype, just truth and motion. Build my foundation, deeper than emotion. I don't wait for the world, I execute the plan. 2025 made me unshakable man. Discipline is freedom, I learned that alone. Silence is power when the work gets done. Execution is respect that I show to myself. Not the talk, not the flex, not the image of wealth. Progress whisper while I stayed consistent. Results took time, but my will was relentless. No one clapped while I sharpened my edge, but I felt every brick when I built this ledge. I stopped rushing the process, stopped doubting my pace, stopped questioning time and started trusting my space. Left behind self-doubt, left behind delay. I don't need motivation, I move a line. 2025 wasn't gentle with me, and it wasn't supposed to be. It tested my patience, it tested my resolve, and it asked one question: who are you when no one's watching? I didn't build habits, I built identity. Didn't chase comfort, I chose integrity. Every choice reinforced the man I claimed. Every rep in the dark edge, permanent change. Growth ain't loud, it don't need a stage. It shows up daily, page after page. Early morning, structure, restraint. That's how resilience carves its name. This year refined me, cut, clean and exact. Now I stand on truth, not reaction to lack. Foundation solid, character set. I'm not guessing what's next, I'm already prepared. 2025, yeah, strengthened my core. Every test confirmed what I'm built for. No fear in the quiet, no doubt in the plan. I'm unshakable now, I know who I am. I close this chapter with respect and resolve. Grateful for pressure that made me evolve. This year is complete, every lesson I ran. Next chapter loading, I'm ready, I stand. This chapter is complete. I am prepared for what's next.